Disclaimer: the following guide contains expert advice, questionable humor, and a dash of existential dread. Side effects may include a sense of empowerment, a giggle, and maybe, just maybe, a thicker wallet. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 life that sucks the creativity right out of you? Do you dream of lounging in your PJs, sipping on a mojito, and raking in the dough with the power of words? Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this article, you'll either learn how to make $1,000 a month writing blog posts or come to the grim realization that you're way funnier in your head than you are on paper. Let's roll. Step 1. Understand that you're not J.K. Rowling, yet. First of all, let's shatter some illusions. You're probably not going to be the next J.K. Rowling or George R.R. Martin. Unless you've got a secret vault of Hogwarts lore or can kill off characters with the ruthlessness of a Dothraki warlord, you'll need to manage your expectations. Good news is, you don't need to be world famous to make money writing blog posts. Phew! Step 2. Pick a niche or die trying. Look, the internet is teeming with blogs. There's a blog about knitting sweaters for squirrels and another one dedicated to the history of left-handed spoons. You need to find a niche that makes you as unique as a three-legged unicorn in a world full of plain old horses. Step 3. Know your audience like you know your favorite takeout menu. You can't just blog into the void. Your readership is your bread and butter, literally. Understand what they want, what keeps them up at 3 a.m., other than TikTok, and how you can solve their problems. In other words, if you're writing about how to survive a zombie apocalypse on a budget, your target audience isn't exactly the Wall Street elite, or maybe it is. Who are we to judge? Step 4. Write. Edit. Drink coffee. Repeat. You've got your niche. You've got your audience. Now comes the fun part. Actually writing. Imagine your keyboard is your Excalibur and your mind is the mighty King Arthur. Write like you're trying to pull that sword out of the stone. A lot of effort and maybe a little bit of crying. After you've finished your masterpieces, edit like your life depends on it because, in a way, it does. Nobody's going to read your posts if they're as comprehensible as a badly translated instruction manual. Step 5. The money-making mojo, monetization. Sure, you can write because you love it. But love won't pay the rent unless you're living in a utopian society or a Beatles song. Here are some ways to monetize your blog. Affiliate marketing. Sell other people's stuff and take a commission. It's like being a telemarketer, but less annoying. Ads. Display ads on your blog. Just don't make it look like a NASCAR vehicle. Products or services. Sell your own digital products or offer writing services. Step 6. Consistency is key, but don't turn into a writing robot. People love routine, even if it's just expecting a new blog post every Tuesday. Be consistent but don't churn out content like a factory. Remember, even robots need to recharge, and they don't even have social lives to maintain. Step 7. Do the hustle. No, not the dance, although that might help to lighten the mood. We're talking about networking, baby. Comment on other blogs, be active on social media, and maybe, just maybe, let your friends and family know about your blog. But only if you're comfortable with Aunt Karen critiquing your comma usage. Step 8. Celebrate your first $1,000, and prepare for more. You've reached the promised land of four-figure earnings. Celebrate with something nice, like upgrading from instant coffee to actual brewed coffee. There you have it, folks. Follow these 8 steps, and you'll be on your way to making $1,000 a month, give or take a penny. Remember, in the world of blogging, you're either writing or you're dying. Just kidding. You'll probably just get really bored. Now, go forth and conquer, you keyboard warrior, you. And don't forget to share this post. After all, we're trying to go viral here. This article was brought to you by the good folks at Vasiliverse.com, where we give you the tools to become the superhero of your own story. Capes not included.